Hi, it's me, Zefanya. Wait, what am I doing? Why am I acting like that? Did someone propose to me? But why then I became like a servant? No. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a beads accessories. Yeah, cause I still wanna look gorgeous even when I'm doing the housework. So now I'm gonna make these bracelets. Yep, so I can matchy with them. Okay, all you need is just an elastic string and beads with several colors. I used 3mm for the white beads and 4mm for the rest. Now let's jump to the step. First of all, cut the string according to your hand size. Give a little gap to tie the string later. Use tape at the end of the string to avoid the beads falling out from the string. Trust me, it can make your life easier. Next, just start putting them through the string. To make a flower design, put one of green color, 4 blue color, and 1 yellow color, and then insert the string into the blue beads closest to the green. Pull the string and put in 2 more blue color, then insert the string into the blue beads closest to the yellow one. Next, pull it again and put in the green color. Okay, do the same thing until it's done. And don't forget to tie the strings twice or more. Cut the rest and that's all. It's very easy, right? Okay, next I wanna make this bracelet. Yeah, so I can couples with Jenny. I used the 3mm of clear blue and white beads. Well, basically, I just repeat the same step. Oh, it's me when I remember that I have dried the laundry. And this is me when I remember my mom will treat me on the weekend. So these are the bracelets that I made today. By the way, if you have any leftover string, don't throw it away. You can use it to make rings to propose someone. Oh, you don't have a crush? It's okay, just propose yourself.